In today's fast-paced world, where stress and distractions are constant companions, cultivating habits that promote longevity, self-improvement, and modern wisdom has never been more crucial. Our daily routines profoundly shape our lives, influencing our physical health, mental well-being, and overall satisfaction. Incorporating intentional habits into our daily lives can pave the way for a healthier, more fulfilling existence. Setting the tone for this video, we aim to inspire and motivate you to explore the transformative power of simple yet impactful habits. Whether you're seeking to boost your longevity, enhance your self-improvement journey, or gain modern wisdom for navigating the complexities of life, this video is designed to provide practical insights and actionable steps. Are you ready to embark on a healthier, more fulfilling life? Join us as we delve into the most important daily habits to help you unlock your full potential and lead a life filled with vitality and purpose. Let's discover together the keys to longevity, self-improvement, and modern wisdom that can empower you to thrive in today's world. Mindful morning routine. Start your day on the right note by establishing a mindful morning routine that sets the tone for positivity and focus. Incorporating meditation, gratitude journaling, and healthy breakfast choices can help you kickstart your day with intention and mindfulness. Begin your morning with a few minutes of meditation to center yourself and cultivate a sense of calm and clarity. This practice can help you ground yourself before diving into the busyness of the day ahead. Follow this up with gratitude journaling, where you take a moment to reflect on the things you are grateful for, setting a positive tone for the day. Regarding breakfast, choose nourishing choices that fuel your body and mind for the day ahead. A balanced meal can give you the energy to tackle your tasks with vigor and vitality. Encourage yourself to set intentions for the day, focusing on what you hope to achieve and how you want to show up in the world. By avoiding technology distractions in the morning, you can create a space for self-care and mental clarity, allowing you to start your day with purpose and presence. Remember, how you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day, so prioritize self-care and mindfulness to cultivate a fulfilling and productive day. Physical activity and exercise. Regular physical activity and exercise are critical to overall well-being and vitality. By engaging in cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises, you can create a balanced fitness regimen that supports your physical and mental health. Cardiovascular exercises like running, cycling, or dancing help improve heart health, boost endurance, and burn calories. Strength training exercises like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises help build muscle strength, increase bone density, and enhance metabolism. Flexibility exercises such as yoga or stretching improve range of motion, reduce the risk of injury, and promote relaxation. Staying active offers many benefits, including increased longevity, improved mental health, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight, lower blood pressure, and enhance mood and cognitive function. It would help if you found activities you enjoy and look forward to maintain consistency in your fitness routine. Whether dancing to your favorite music, hiking in nature, or practicing yoga in the comfort of your home, discovering activities that bring you joy can make exercise feel less like a chore and more like a rewarding experience. Prioritize your physical well-being by making regular physical activity a non-negotiable part of your daily life. Nutritious diet and hydration. Prioritize your health by consuming a healthy diet and staying hydrated throughout the day. A well-rounded diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your immune system and overall health. Incorporate whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats for sustained energy and fiber to support digestion. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes help build and repair tissues, keeping your muscles strong and your metabolism efficient. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite, chewing slowly, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Adequate water intake is crucial for optimal health, as staying hydrated supports digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Nutrition is vital to your energy levels, cognitive function, and longevity. By fueling your body with nutrient-dense foods and staying hydrated, you can enhance your overall well-being and performance in daily activities. Make conscious choices about what you eat and drink, as they profoundly impact your health and vitality. Continuous learning and growth. Commit to prioritizing constant learning and personal growth to expand your knowledge and skills, fostering a mindset of curiosity and development. Engaging in activities such as reading books, taking online courses, or attending workshops can broaden your horizons and provide new perspectives and insights. Immerse yourself in books that challenge your thinking, introduce you to new ideas, and inspire personal growth. Online courses offer a convenient way to acquire new skills and knowledge in various fields, while workshops provide hands-on learning experiences and opportunities for networking and collaboration. Stepping out of your comfort zone and seeking new experiences is essential for personal growth and self-discovery. Embrace challenges and uncertainties as opportunities for learning and development, allowing yourself to stretch beyond your perceived limitations. Set specific goals for self-improvement and track your progress regularly to stay motivated and accountable. Whether mastering a new skill, pursuing a passion project, or enhancing your professional expertise, setting clear objectives can guide your growth and propel you toward success. By prioritizing continuous learning and growth, you can cultivate a growth mindset, adapt to change, and unlock your full potential. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and development, and watch as your knowledge, skills, and confidence soar to new heights. Mindfulness and stress management. Incorporate mindfulness practices and effective stress management techniques into your daily routine to nurture your mental well-being and cultivate inner peace. By embracing mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature, you can enhance your ability to manage stress and promote relaxation. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing on the present moment without judgment, allowing you to cultivate awareness and acceptance of your thoughts and emotions. Deep breathing exercises can help calm your nervous system, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of tranquility. Spending time in nature can have a grounding effect, connecting you with the natural world and providing a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Stress reduction is essential for preventing burnout, improving overall health, and enhancing quality of life. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on physical and mental well-being, making it crucial to prioritize stress management strategies. Create a peaceful environment conducive to relaxation, whether by decluttering your space, incorporating soothing scents, or playing calming music. Setting boundaries and learning to say no when necessary can help you manage your workload and protect your mental health. Integrating mindfulness and stress management techniques into daily life can build resilience, reduce anxiety, and foster greater well-being. Prioritize self-care and mental wellness by making time for practices that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Social connections and support. Cultivate meaningful social connections and seek support from friends and family to nurture your emotional well-being and enhance your quality of life. By prioritizing regular communication, time spent together, and active listening in your relationships, you can strengthen bonds and create a supportive network that uplifts and sustains you. Maintaining open lines of communication with loved ones, sharing experiences, and engaging in meaningful conversations can deepen connections and foster a sense of belonging. Spending quality time together, whether through shared activities or simply being present, can create lasting memories and strengthen the foundation of your relationships. Social support is vital in promoting mental health, happiness, and longevity. A robust support system can provide comfort during challenging times, boost your mood, and improve your overall well-being. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive individuals who uplift and encourage you can profoundly impact your mental and emotional health. Choose to invest in relationships that bring out the best in you, where mutual respect, trust, and understanding form the basis of your interactions. By nurturing meaningful social connections and seeking support from those who care about your well-being, you can create a sense of community and belonging that enriches your life and nurtures your soul. Quality sleep and rest. Make quality sleep and adequate rest a priority in your daily routine to support physical and mental rejuvenation. This will allow your body and mind to recharge and thrive. You can optimize your sleep quality and overall well-being by establishing a bedtime routine, creating a sleep-conducive environment, and limiting screen time before bed. Create a bedtime routine that signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Incorporate calming activities such as reading, gentle stretching, or practicing relaxation techniques to prepare your mind and body for rest. Keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and calm can promote deep and restorative sleep. Sufficient rest is essential for cognitive function, mood regulation, and overall health. Quality sleep supports memory consolidation, emotional regulation, and immune function, contributing to overall well-being and vitality. Before bedtime, practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or gentle yoga to calm your mind and release tension from your body. Prioritize sleep and rest as essential components of your self-care routine, recognizing their profound impact on your physical, mental, and emotional health. You can enhance your overall well-being and vitality by cultivating healthy sleep habits and creating a peaceful bedtime routine. Please take action today by implementing at least one new habit from the list discussed in this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth, well-being, and practical tips for living your best life. Thank you for joining us in achieving a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling lifestyle. Remember, your habits shape your destiny.